What's up, everybody? I'm going to show you a very quick tutorial on creating a planet from an image. So what we're going to do first is make sure it's a square. So you want to use like a long panoramic kind of picture or like a landscape scene there. Get your image, go to image size, and this is going to be different for everybody because your pictures are all different. Normally this is clicked on here. You want to take off constrain proportions and you have to make it into a square. So whatever the size is, you have to make it even. So let's just say 2000 for this. So that means this also has to be 2000. So it's a square. Okay, there you go. So it's a little warped, but not too bad. And actually, I think I'm gonna crop this down a little bit. So it's gonna affect it a little bit. So I have to do the same thing. Image size. So let's make this, I don't know, 1300, and make this 1300. There you go. So what I have to do also is rotate it. So you go to image, rotate, vertical. Turns it upside down. So now when we go to our filter, distort, polar coordinates, let me zoom out. There we go. Now we have our little planet made from the city. And of course it'll look better if you have like a higher resolution image, but this is just one I grabbed off online here. So you just take your like clone stamp tool or spot healing tool, and you're gonna go take your time and you're gonna slowly paint away that little line in the middle there so it just looks nice and even. Well, this is very rushed. So, but just so you get the idea. Paint away, paint away. And you're going to take your time with this and make sure you blend it pretty well. But you want to get rid of all this little hard line there. So you get the idea. But you want to blend the little lined out the line away there so it's all smooth looking. But that is a very quick way to create a planet from a stock image or a landscape or a panoramic picture. Anyway, any questions, hit me up. See y'all later.